Hello everybody, this is my stash of fireworks for New Year 2010. Starting on the top here, we've got Ipanema from Vaco, Hurricane from Brothers, moving along, Ultimate Battle of Colours from Brothers, the Rising Phoenix, which is a fountain. Then we've got Acid Rain, 25 Carat from Vaco, Classic Fireworks, Flames of Passion, Tivoli from Brothers, Siren Call from Brothers, Spin Master from Brothers, and the Whistling Spinners, Firefighter from Vaco, Ipanema, a bit of close up for you, Battle of Colours, and at the end here we have got Star Probe rockets from Brothers and Cocktail of rockets from Vaco. Show you a bit closer. Up the other end here we've won 12 o'clock special, the Magellan rocket from Kimbolton. Start the new year with a bang. This one has several bangs in it. So there we go. My New Year's fireworks for this year. Hopefully letting them off Friday night, 12 o'clock, weather permitting. And that's all for now then, folks. Just hold up that rocket for you to have a closer look at it. There we go. And speak to you all again soon. Bye for now.